All right, welcome to the workbench, our temporary workbench, I guess, for now. So this is phase 2. We got it on the bench. A couple things I wanted to point out. As you can see here, there's like a number 6 in here, and then over here we've got, I don't even know what that is. It looks like a 4 if you turn it right. And then in here, MR, it looks like. And then down here on the very bottom, I don't know if you can see right here, it's actually pencil right here, where it looks like an E. So, but wood's in great shape, looks good. But let's get to the main event and our problem here, what we're going to be dealing with. So, slide this back a little bit, and I'm going to get into what I'm looking at. What I'm looking at here is when I'm going through some of this wood, especially like deep inside there. I don't know how much you can see in this little lip right here, but there's some pieces and some shavings in there I'm going to have to work on. And initially when I try to put it together and kind of see if I can get a good snug fit, I can get it pretty dang close. Pretty close. But I'm having a little bit of a hang up here. So I think what I'm going to do, and where I'm getting that hang up, let me flip this over, is as I was inspecting the wood just a little bit, these ends and these pieces here are pretty sharp, so it looks like those will probably, they broke off pretty well, so I should be able to do that pretty well. But then right here, this one right here, I don't know why you can see it, the tip is kind of like dull right here. So it looks like it's been bumping up against something. I don't know why you can see that. So I'm going to probably remove that little piece, and then I think I'm going to get almost a perfect fit. So hang on a sec, let's see if I can put that together and see what I get. Okay, so this is where I'm at. You can see right here, it's pretty close. And I know that this camera is not the best quality, so I apologize about that. I can't really get too close, or otherwise it just gets kind of blurry. So, but you can see that line right there, we're pretty dang close. We're pretty close here, folks. So I'm going to get that piece out of there and then see if I can get closer. Again, here's another angle so you can kind of see, and I apologize, I know you can't see really how close that line is just because of my camera can't get in there, so I apologize about that, but there it is. Okay, back at it. Great, so here we are. All right, so let's get to this, potential remover of that piece. Try to keep it. So once I put a little bit of tension on this from the other side, should be there. Let's get back into it. We're going to go for it. We're going to go with some Tight Bond glue. Get it done.